In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the Windows search bar at the very bottom of the screen. I type in Edge to pull up the browser application from my system. I select Microsoft Edge from the best match results to officially launch the browser and get everything ready. Once the browser opens up, we can see the standard start page layout with the default search bar and interface. To modify our browser preferences, I head directly to the top right corner of the window and click on the three horizontal dots to open the main settings menu. From the drop-down options that appear, I scroll down through the list and click on Settings. This opens up the primary settings page, which features a detailed sidebar menu on the left side containing all the browser's configuration options. From the categories listed on this left menu, I find and select Copilot and AI to open the dedicated feature panel. Now, looking closely at the main panel under the Copilot and Edge section, I see the option that says Show Copilot button in the toolbar. There is a green toggle switch right next to it, which indicates that this specific AI feature is currently active and visible on the interface. To change this, I click on this toggle switch to turn it off, and it immediately changes to gray, which successfully disables and hides the Copilot button from the browser toolbar entirely. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.